So next up, guys, is quite a popular question, and it just says solve the equation 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 equals 0 and give your answer correct to two decimal places. I need to get this to be higher so you can get all the question in. I'll just be wary of writing that side of the page. This is a major hint. Decimal places. We're solving a quadratic equation and we want our answer in decimal places. That means that we're talking about the quadratic formula. Okay, b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, because it's a quadratic. We have an x squared term, we have an x and a constant. Okay, it's quadratic trinomial, because 3. Now, a here, b here, and c here. When we're told this in the criteria in your log tables, I actually don't know what page that's on. I do know it's on the front of your log tables too though. Now a is 3 because it's the coefficient of the x squared, b is 5, and c is negative 1. So let's fill it in. So I'm going to have minus 5, and I will put everything in brackets, just to be sure. 5 squared minus 4 times 3 minus 1. But in particular, if there is something that's a negative, it needs brackets, okay? It needs brackets to protect it, but also for its sign. Now, plus and minus, so as I said in the previous problem, we are going to have 2 roots. So let's write this in, and I'm going to show you how I'm doing it as I'm doing it. So we have a fraction. We have minus bracket 5. I'm going to do plus first, the square root of bracket 5 squared minus 4 bracket 3 bracket, oh not 2, sorry, minus 1. And again, make sure you're doing this with me to know that you can fill it in, but also to know that you can identify it. Now look at what I've got. Okay, that's interesting. In the question, I need to refer back. Give your answer correct to 2 decimal places. Now, x is equal to 0.1804604,217. Approximately, remember that sign? Approximately equal to, let's round it. Round it to 2 decimal places, so 2 figures after the decimal. That's where we're cutting it off. So it's going to be 0. Now that's not going to change it, so 18. Remember, if that was 5 or above, we'd round it up, not round it off. Now, I need my negative one. So I'm being lazy and smart about it. I'm going to go all the way back, pressing my back button there, and go, okay, minus this time. Now, same thing, I'm going to go S to D because I want it in decimal form, and the first answer I get. Notice how I'm writing it all out. Okay, I'm not writing it out for me. Make sure you write it all out. 27088. Now, 2 decimal places, so that means 2 figures after the decimal point. That's where we're cutting it. So x is approximately minus 1 point. Now, 7 is going to bring this up to a 5. 5. Okay, and boom, easy 10 marks. You're all very well able to do that, so just practice it, please.